Firebase pricing review. Watch before using. In this Firebase pricing review, we'll take an in-depth look at how Firebase's pricing works, who it's best suited for, and whether it delivers value for your project needs. Firebase is a platform for building mobile and web applications, offering a comprehensive set of features like authentication, real-time databases, cloud storage, and hosting. It's particularly useful for developers building apps with Google's powerful infrastructure, especially for real-time features, scaling, and managing backend services. Firebase offers a variety of pricing plans to cater to different types of projects, from startups and small developers to larger, enterprise-level applications. Firebase has a flexible pay-as-you-go model, along with a free tier to get you started. But the pricing structure can quickly become complex as you scale, so let's break it down. Firebase's free tier, called the Spark plan, is great for beginners and small projects. It includes limited usage for features like authentication, the Firestore database, and Firebase cloud messaging. However, once your app starts to grow and requires more resources, you'll need to upgrade to the Blaze plan, which is pay-as-you-go. The Blaze plan charges based on usage, meaning costs increase with the number of reads, writes, and deletes to your Firestore database, the number of active users on Firebase authentication, and the bandwidth consumed in Firebase hosting. Firebase's pricing for storage, for instance, charges per gigabyte stored and transferred, which can be affordable for low-traffic apps, but may become costly at scale. While Firebase's pricing might be cost-effective in the early stages, the complexity starts when your app grows and you move past the free tier. For developers managing apps with unpredictable traffic spikes or rapidly increasing users, Firebase can become expensive. Firebase offers a Firebase pricing calculator, which can help you estimate your costs, but you'll need to actively monitor and optimize usage. Firebase's tight integration with Google Cloud can be a double-edged sword. You get powerful scalability, but that also means potential for sudden cost increases without careful management. In conclusion, Firebase offers incredible value, especially for developers working on mobile and web apps that need real-time features and fast scaling. However, its pricing structure requires careful attention. If you're just starting out, the free tier is sufficient. But as your app scales, make sure to keep a close eye on usage to avoid unexpected costs. If your app grows rapidly, Firebase's pay-as-you-go model could be a hidden cost trap.